Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dafa Fadil Wahyudin. And now I'm going to present about my final project of innovation on ELT. Alright, the first we have the learning topic. The learning topic is procedure text, how to make my favorite food. And the target grade level is 10th grade high school. And then we have the learning objective. The first, student can understand the definition of the purpose of the procedure text. And the second, student can identify and explain the generic structure such as goal, material, steps, and the language features are such as imperative verbs, sequencing word of a procedure text. And the last one, we have student can write and create procedure text with correct instruction and structure. And the learning model used is the genre-based approach or GBA. Alright, let's move to the micro teaching of the procedure text, how to make my favorite food with learning model genre-based approach. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Good. All right. So, before we start studying, we have to pray together. Begins. All right. Thank you very much. And welcome to my English class with me, Mr. Dafa Fadil Wahyudin. All right. Before we start the lesson, let's check your attendance for today. Click the link I shared in the chat box and mark your attendance. And I will give you 2 minutes to do this. Alright? Do you understand? Alright. Do you finish, guys? Alright, good. Thank you very much. And do you still remember what we learned last week? Good, of course. We will learn about the narrative text. And what is the narrative text? Perfect. Narrative text is the type of the text that tell a chronological story in the past tense. Alright. Nah, I have that's the picture, and what the first thing that come to mind when you see this picture? Nah, apa sih yang pertama muncul di pikiran kalian setelah melihat gambar ini? Buku, alright. Resep, good. Step, langkah-langkah. Apalagi, setelah melihat gambar ini, apakah kalian bisa menebak apa yang akan kita pelajari di hari ini? Nah, for today, we will learn about the procedure text. Before we start to the definition of procedure text, nah, sebelum kita mulai ke definisi dari procedure text tersebut, mari kita tonton dulu video ini. Nah, setelah kita menonton dan memperhatikan video ini, Mister punya beberapa pertanyaan yang berkaitan dengan video ini. Alright, let's check it out.
Hello everybody, my name is Miss Lee. I'm going to show you how to make a simple and delicious omelet at home. Let's start cooking together. 4 tools are bowl for mixing eggs, wish or board to bleach the eggs, non-stick pan, stove, spoon for measuring oil, spatula to flip and remove the omelet with stirred omelet. For the ingredients are 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, and tablespoons of cooking oil. The steps to make an omelet. First, crack the eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and whisk until well mixed. Then, heat a non-stick pan over the medium heat with 2 tablespoons of oil. Eggs, pour in the eggs. And tilt the pan to spread them evenly. Let cook for about 30 seconds. Then, flip the top side to the bottom so all sides start to brown. After that, cook for another 30 seconds until 1 minute until it's fully set. Finally, remove the omelet from the pan and serve. Here it is, ready to serve. Enjoy!
Alright, thank you very much. And now, let's discuss and answer the question based on the video we just watched using Mentimeter. Let's move to the Mentimeter. Nah, sekarang sih kita sudah ada di Mentimeters. Untuk ikut join, kalian bisa scan barcode di kanan atau dengan masuk di menti.com melalui kode di atas. Oke? Oke. Oke. Untuk pertanyaan pertama, what is the goal or purpose of the video? Oke, ternyata ada yang menjawab make omelette, cook egg, omelette. Alright, thank you very much. Let's move to the next question. What tools are need to use? Bowl, alright. Forks, oke. Ada yang menjawab stove, pen, spatula. Alright, excellent. Thank you very much, guys. Let's move to the next question. What ingredient are to make the omelette? Oke, ada yang jawab salt atau garam, egg, oil. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for your participation. All right, thank you very much, guys. So now I will explain what is the procedure text. A procedure text is the text that explain the step to do something or make something, and sequence so that readers can achieve certain result. The main purpose is to provide instruction or guidance to readers or viewers on how to do an activity or produce something correctly. Alright, we have the language feature and generic structure from the procedure text. The first, language feature. The language feature from the procedure text is use simple present tense, use imperative verbs, and sequencing words. And in the generic structures, the procedure text is have a goal, ingredients and material, and steps. The step is to explain the step in sequence to achieve the goal. Alright, let's to identify this text. Now, let's look at the example of the producer text. Nah, berikut adalah contoh dari procedure text dengan judul How to Make a Simple Sandwich. Alright, please read the text silently for 2 minutes. Alright, do you finish, guys? Okay, let's identify the purpose of the text. Who can tell me the goal of this text? Oh, Peter. Of course, yes. The goal is how to make a simple sandwich. And next, can anyone identify the ingredients? Good, very good. Now, let's find the step. What imperative verb can you find? Oh, amazing, good. Prepare, spread, of course. So can you mention the sequencing word from this text? All right. Thank you very much, guys. So let's see the identifying of this text. Seperti yang bisa kita lihat di sini, goalnya itu adalah how to make a simple sandwich. Dan di sini ada ingredient dan juga stepnya. Nah, seperti yang sudah kita pelajari sebelumnya bahwa prosedur teks itu menggunakan simple present tense dan juga imperative verbs. Nah, sebagai contoh di sini ada prepare, spread, put, cover, cut, and serve. Dan juga adanya sequencing words. Sequence words. Di sini ada first, next, then, after that, next, and finally. Okay. Alright guys, the next activity is group discussion. Nah, dalam sesi discussion ini, kita mulai pindah ke Padlet. Untuk linknya sudah Mister share di chatbox ya, jadi bisa kalian join, klik untuk joinnya. Oke, oke, kita sudah ada di Padlet. Kita klik. Nah, oke, sebagaimana yang bisa kalian lihat bahwa di sini ada prosedur teks yang masih belum lengkap. Nah, tugas kalian adalah kalian membuat grup yang dimana setiap grupnya itu memiliki 4 orang anggota. So, each group works together to complete the procedure text. Then post it in Padlet and present your complete procedure text. And the instruction for this fill blank is complete the blank using the correct word from the box below. You understand, guys? Alright. I will give you 7 minutes for group discussion and fill the blanks and to complete this procedure text. Alright? Alright, get finished. Okay, finished. Let's see, we have group 2. Alright. Please group 2 to present your result. Alright, thank you very much for group 2. Big applause for you guys. Thank you very much. Nah, the next activity is individual construction. Or this is the assignment for you guys. Write your own procedure text on how to make your favorite drink, snack, or meal. Make sure the text follow the structure and language feature you have learned. After that, turn your procedure text into the poster using Canva, Gemini, or similar tools. Then, post your poster on the Padlet below. Alright, guys. The next, what knowledge have you gained during today's lesson? Okay, let's move again to the Mentimeter. Oke, sekarang kita sudah ada di Mentimeter. Untuk cara joinnya, seperti yang tadi, kalian bisa masuk ke web menti.com lalu masukkan kode seperti ini 11432498. Oke, good. And untuk pertanyaannya, what knowledge have you gained during today's lesson? Alright, let's see. Oh, someone said structure of the procedure text. Good. We will learn about the structure of procedure text and generic structure. Good. Make something. Alright. There is the purpose of procedure text is to make and guides make something. Good job, guys. Thank you very much. Alright. For your homework, please create a video demonstrating the procedure text you have created. Make it as interesting as possible and upload it to the TikTok. All right, do you understand, guys? Good job. All right, so today we learn about the procedure text through the genre-based approach. You learn the purpose, generic structure, language feature, and how to write your own procedure text. Thanks you for your activity participation today. See you in the next meeting. Goodbye, everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All right, there is the reflection. So why is the lesson innovative? This lesson is innovative because it integrates digital technology into every stage of learning. During the BK of stage, students use Mentimeter to share their ideas and respond to questions after watching a video, encouraging active participation from all students. In the GCOT stage, students collaborate through Padlet to share ideas and discuss their work. In the ICOT stage, students create a procedure text and transform it into the digital poster using Canva, Gemini, or similar AI tools. Before publishing it on the Padlet, finally, Mentimeter was used again for reflection so students could express what they had learned. And how does it support deep learning? This lesson also support deep learning because students did more than memorize the characteristic of procedure text. They analyze a model text, collaborative with their classmates, apply their knowledge to create an authentic product, reflect on their learning, and receive opportunities to improve their work. This activity promote critical thinking, creativity, communication, collaboration, and responsible use of digital technology. And next is media use. The media used in this lesson include Canva, presentation, Mentimeter, Padlet, and Canva or Gemini and instructional video from the TikTok. And these digital tools create an interactive, engaging, and student-centered learning environment while supporting students in developing both their English writing skill and their digital literacy. Overall, this lesson encourages students to become active learners who can understand, analyze, create, and share procedure text meaningfully. Through the genre-based approach and the integration of technology, students not only improve their English proficiency but also develop creativity, confidence, collaboration skill, and digital competence that are important for learning in the 21st century. Or thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.